Снимаю, братуха! Блядь, чуть-чуть высоковато, ёбаный в рот. Девушка, проходите, бегом! Бегом!
And of course, while that's the case, the situation in the city is incredibly tense. You can, hopefully you can get a sense of it from what I'm saying in terms of the empty streets.
It's very clear that the Russian army did not want to hurt the people, and I can say this because they didn't bomb the cell phone towers. They didn't bomb the electrical generators, the power stations, the power grid. The people have running water, have internet, have telephony, have electricity. Life is going on as normal here in Kiev, right? Which is, like I said, the eye of the storm. And in Kharkov, the same thing.
Скажи, а центральные каналы берут твои новости?
Нет, конечно нет.
Почему?
Потому что я всегда спрошу мирных жителей, откуда прилет был, кто вас обстреляет. И, конечно, эти каналы, они не хотят говорить, что это украинская армия, которая обстреляет мирных жителей. Они не хотят знать об этом, и они не хотят публиковать об этом.
То есть на центральных европейских каналах есть серьезная цензура?
Конечно.
So roll cameras. One take one. Here we go, and action!
Gesagt, auf europäischer Ebene reichen die Ziele bei weitem nicht. Sie reichen auch nicht auf österreichischer Ebene. Auch wenn man in Betracht zieht, dass im Bundesrat beschlossen wurde, dass sowohl das Erneuerbare Ausbaugesetz kommt, als auch die ökosoziale Steuerreform. Noch ganz kurz zur Erklärung. Das Erneuerbare Ausbaugesetz, das soll die Klimaneutralität in Österreich bis ins Jahr 2030.
I'm from Kiev. Most of my family, most of my team members are still in Ukraine, in Kiev, in Lviv. A woman from my team is now in Bila Tserkva, and she is there with 2 kids, and Russian military is over there, and she's so much afraid that she will be shot. Kharkiv, the city where I was studying, was bombarded today, fully, the downtown square. So you're talking about the stoicism of Ukrainian people, but Ukrainian women and Ukrainian children are in deep fear because of bombs and missiles which are going from the sky. And Ukrainian people are desperately asking for the West to protect our sky. We are asking for the no-fly zone. We are saying in response that it will trigger World War III. But what is the alternative, Mr. Prime Minister? To observe how our children are, instead of planes, are protecting NATO from the missiles and bombs? What's the alternative for the no-fly zone? We have planes here, we have air defense system in Poland, in Romania. NATO has this air defense. At least this air defense would shield the western Ukraine, so that these children with women could come to the border. It's impossible now to cross the border. There are 30 kilometers of lines. Imagine crossing the border with a baby or with 2 children. I'm so glad that Samantha Power is coming here to the border from the Polish side. Let her come to the border from Ukrainian side and see that. Britain guaranteed our security under Budapest Memorandum. So you're coming to Poland. You're not coming to Kiev, Prime Minister. You're not coming to Lviv. Because you are afraid. Because NATO is not willing to defend. Because NATO is afraid of the World War III. But it is already started. And these are Ukrainian children who are there taking the hit. You're talking about more sanctions, Prime Minister, but Roman Abramovich is not sanctioned. He's in London. His children are not in the bombardments. His children are there in London. Putin's children are in Netherlands, in Germany, in mansions. Where are all these mansions seized? I don't see that. I see that my family members, that my team members are saying that we are crying. We don't have where to run.
Well,
this is what is happening, Prime Minister.
Well, thank you very much for.
We went to Kiev and found even among Joe Biden supporters in Ukraine, Hunter's hiring was troubling.
How do you judge what Hunter Biden was doing?
I think that Hunter Biden did a very bad thing, and he was very wrong. He allowed his name to be abused.
Okay, this is what not to do. CBC, come on.
Talking about that would be Russian President Vladimir Putin. He is addressing his people right now, and basically, I mean, it's all in Russian, so we don't have translation for you. But I can tell you what he is saying. Not that I speak Russian, but I've been looking at the information that we're getting from our.
He shares stirring videos from the bunker. He told the Americans he needed ammo, not a ride to safety. And thanks to his resolute leadership, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky is being hailed around the world.
Всім доброго ранку, українці.
He's a hero to his people and the world. President Zelensky's defiant rejection of the American offer to fly him out of Ukraine is sure to go down in history.
Подоляк тут.
I need ammunition, not a ride, he's quoted as telling the Biden administration.
President Zelensky, who I agree is emerging as an enormous example in leadership, was told the other day by a variety of people, hey, you better get out of Kyiv. You better get to Lviv in the west. What did he do? He took off his suits, put on his hunting gear, and said, I don't need a ride. I need more ammunition. That's the kind of leader you want to see, and we need to provide him the ammunition.
Tonight, new details emerging on the escalating military tensions between the U.S. and Russia as Pentagon officials game out a response to Russian aggression in Europe. Vladimir Putin is now making some serious moves in the Caribbean.
Tonight, Putin is on America's doorstep with nuclear-capable bombers that can fly at twice the speed of sound. It's a bold move right out of the Cold War as the Russian president tries to establish a military foothold near American shores.
Пригласил вас для того, чтобы поговорить о вопросах, связанных с экономикой, с финансами. Мы с Михаилом Владимировичем обсуждали эту тему, имея в виду, конечно, и те санкции, которые сейчас так называемое западное сообщество, как я его назвал в своем выступлении, «Империя лжи», пытается реализовать в отношении нашей страны.